How to delete ChatGPT account. So, for browsers, you just simply open your Safari or your Chrome and then go to help.openai.com and then search for how can I delete my account, and then there will be steps that will be presented or shown in this page. However, again, this will only work on your laptop or your PC, and for mobile users such as your iPhone or Android, you may use your Gmail or any email apps. So go ahead and open your Gmail, for example, log in or sign in with your email that you have used in the ChatGPT account, and then simply compose and type in deletion at openai.com. Choose that one, and then on the subject field, what you're going to type in is account deletion request. And then on the body or in the compose email, what you're going to type is please delete my account. So once you have done that, you may type in as well your email address right here and some other informations. Simply click on send and you should wait for the deletion at OpenAI to respond your request. So that's it. That's how you can delete ChatGPT account.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.